Welcome to Touring Globe. Let's have a look at Mozambique Travel Guide. Unleash your adventurous spirit in the heart of East Africa. 1. Introduction to Mozambique. A tapestry of adventure and beauty. Welcome to Mozambique, a breathtaking land where the azure waters of the Indian Ocean meet the vibrant hues of its cultural tapestry. This East African gem is not just a destination, it's an experience waiting to unfold. Picture yourself strolling along sun-kissed beaches, diving into a vibrant underwater world, and savoring mouth-watering seafood, all set against a backdrop of warm, welcoming locals. From the bustling streets of Maputo to the serene shores of the Bazaruto archipelago, Mozambique invites you to explore its rich history, stunning landscapes, and diverse wildlife. The country is a delightful mosaic of cultures, influences, and traditions that blend together to create a truly unique atmosphere. As you venture into Mozambique, prepare to have your senses awakened by the sound of crashing waves, the tantalizing aroma of local dishes, and the vibrant colors that dance across the markets. Let the adventures begin. 2. Must-see attractions in Mozambique, where wonder awaits. Maputo. The soul of Mozambique. Your journey begins in Maputo, the lively capital city that pulsates with energy and charm. Here, you'll find a captivating mix of colonial architecture, bustling markets, and rich cultural heritage. Must-see sights. Maputo Central Market. Step into a whirlwind of colors and flavors. At this bustling market, local vendors showcase fresh produce, spices, textiles, and handcrafted goods. Take your time to explore the stalls, chat with the vendors, and maybe even pick up a few souvenirs to take home. Fortaleza de Maputo. Explore this historic fortress dating back to the 18th century. Walk through its ancient walls and imagine the tales of sailors and traders who once frequented these shores. Climb to the top for stunning views of the city and harbor, perfect for a photo op. Bazaruto archipelago, nature's masterpiece. Get ready to be swept off your feet by the enchanting beauty of the Bazaruto archipelago. Comprising several pristine islands, this tropical paradise is the epitome of bliss, offering white sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant marine life. Island adventures. Snorkeling and diving. Dive into an underwater wonderland. The coral reefs surrounding the archipelago are teeming with colorful fish, turtles, and other marine creatures. Snorkelers and divers are treated to breathtaking sights that will leave you in awe of nature's beauty. Dhow cruises. Experience the magic of sailing on a traditional dhow, a wooden boat that has been used for centuries along the coast. Feel the gentle breeze as you glide through turquoise waters, and keep your eyes peeled for dolphins leaping alongside you. Inhaka Island. An idyllic escape. Just a short boat ride from Maputo lies Inhaka Island, a tranquil haven where time seems to stand still. With its untouched beaches and lush greenery, this island is perfect for relaxation and exploration. Beach bliss. Sink your toes into the soft, powdery sand of Inhaka's beaches. Whether you're sunbathing, swimming, or simply lounging with a good book, this idyllic setting is a dream come true. Marine Biology Museum. For a dose of education mixed with fun, visit the Marine Biology Museum, where you'll learn about the fascinating marine ecosystems of the region. It's a fantastic way to appreciate the underwater world you'll be exploring. Gorongosa National Park, a wild safari experience. Step into the untamed wilderness of Gorongosa National Park, a conservation success story and one of Africa's most remarkable national parks. Get ready for an adrenaline-pumping adventure as you encounter a wealth of wildlife and stunning landscapes. Game drives and walking safaris. Feel the thrill as you embark on an exhilarating game drive through diverse habitats, where elephants roam freely and lions stealthily stalk their prey. Whether you're in a safari vehicle or exploring on foot, each moment will leave you breathless with excitement. Conservation efforts. Gain insight into the park's ongoing conservation efforts, where dedicated teams work tirelessly to restore ecosystems and protect wildlife. Learn about the fascinating flora and fauna, and perhaps witness a true success story in the making. Tofo Beach. Surf, dive, and relax. Prepare for a laid-back vibe at Tofo Beach, known for its golden sands, surf breaks, and incredible diving opportunities. This coastal gem is a playground for water enthusiasts and beach lovers alike. Surfing and diving. Ride the waves or dive into the vibrant underwater world. Tofo is famous for its dive sites where you can encounter majestic manta rays and whale sharks. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a beginner, Tofo offers unforgettable underwater adventures. Local markets. Discover the charm of Tofo's local markets, where you can find fresh seafood, handmade crafts, and colorful sarongs. Engage with the friendly locals, and be sure to indulge in the mouthwatering street food. 3. Local culture and traditions, a vibrant tapestry of heritage. Cultural diversity, a melting pot of influences. Mozambique boasts a rich cultural heritage shaped by its diverse ethnic groups, Portuguese colonial history, and Arab trade routes. This vibrant mix is reflected in the country's customs, arts, and traditions. Traditional music and dance. Feel the rhythm. Immerse yourself in the infectious energy of Mozambican music, where traditional rhythms and modern beats collide. The sounds of the timpanaro and marabenta styles will have you tapping your feet and swaying to the music. Don't miss local performances, where you can witness captivating dance styles that narrate the stories of everyday life. Culinary delights. A feast for the senses. Prepare your taste buds for a culinary adventure that tantalizes the senses. Mozambican cuisine is a delightful fusion of flavors influenced by Africa, Portugal, and India. Must-try dishes. Savor the flavors. Piri piri chicken. This spicy grilled chicken dish is a national favorite, marinated in a fiery chili sauce. The mouth-watering flavor will ignite your taste buds and leave you wanting more. Seafood extravaganza. Being a coastal paradise, Mozambique offers an abundance of fresh seafood. Feast on prawns, crab, and grilled fish, all bursting with flavor and freshness. Enjoy a seafood platter at a beachside restaurant while soaking in the stunning ocean views. Matapa. Experience the unique flavors of this traditional dish made from cassava leaves cooked with peanuts and coconut milk. It's a true taste of Mozambican heritage. 4. Outdoor activities and adventure. Embrace your inner explorer. Water sports and beach activities. Dive into fun. Mozambique's stunning coastline is a playground for beach lovers and water sports enthusiasts. Get ready for an adrenaline rush. Diving and snorkeling. Discover the underwater paradise that lies beneath the waves. Dive into colorful coral reefs teeming with marine life, and swim alongside vibrant fish, turtles, and even whale sharks. Each dive will unveil the breathtaking beauty of Mozambique's underwater world. Fishing adventures. Join a deep-sea fishing excursion and experience the thrill of reeling in big-game fish like marlin and tuna. The excitement of a catch will have you hooked. Hiking and nature walks. Explore the wilderness. Put on your hiking boots and explore Mozambique's diverse landscapes through invigorating hikes and nature walks. Gorongosa National Park. Trek through the park's stunning ecosystems, where you'll encounter wildlife and experience the serenity of nature. With knowledgeable guides leading the way, each step will bring you closer to the wonders of the wilderness. Mount Binga. For the adventurous, hiking to the summit of Mount Binga, Mozambique's highest peak, is a thrilling challenge. The breathtaking views from the top make every effort worthwhile. Cultural experiences. Connect with locals. Engage with local communities and immerse yourself in the rich cultural heritage of Mozambique. Village visits. Experience the warmth of Mozambican hospitality by visiting local villages. Engage with the locals, learn about their customs, and perhaps join in traditional cooking or crafts. Traditional festivals. If your visit coincides with local festivals, prepare for a whirlwind of celebration. These vibrant events showcase music, dance, and cultural heritage, providing an authentic glimpse into the heart of Mozambique. 5. Transportation and getting around. Navigating Mozambique. Air travel. Soar into adventure. Mozambique has several international airports, with Maputo International Airport serving as the main gateway. Domestic flights connect major cities and popular tourist destinations like Pemba and Vilanculos, making travel convenient and efficient. Road travel. Embrace the journey. Renting a car offers you the freedom to explore at your own pace. However, be prepared for varying road conditions and consider hiring a local driver if you're unfamiliar with the area. Alternatively, use local transport options such as taxis, minibuses, or chopas, shared taxis, to experience the local way of life. 6. Accommodations. Where comfort meets adventure. From luxurious beachfront resorts to cozy guesthouses, Mozambique offers a range of accommodations to suit every traveler's taste and budget. Beach resorts. Indulge in paradise. Treat yourself to a stay at a beach resort in the Bazaruto archipelago or Tofo, where you can unwind in paradise. Enjoy stunning ocean views, indulge in spa treatments, and savor exquisite dining experiences. Each moment will feel like a dream come true. Safari lodges. Connect with nature. For a truly immersive experience, consider staying at a safari lodge in Gorongosa National Park. With guided wildlife tours, comfortable accommodations, and exceptional service, these lodges offer an unforgettable connection with nature. 7. Practical tips for travelers. Prepare for your adventure. Visa requirements. Check visa requirements for your nationality before traveling. Many nationalities can obtain a visa on arrival, while others may need to apply in advance. Health and safety. Consult with a healthcare professional regarding vaccinations and malaria prophylaxis. Drink bottled water and take necessary precautions to stay healthy during your travels. Currency. The local currency is the Mozambican medical. Credit cards are widely accepted in urban areas, but it's advisable to carry cash for rural areas and markets. 8. Sample 3-day itinerary. Your adventure awaits. Day 1. Discover the vibrant capital, Maputo. Morning. Breakfast at a local cafe. Start your day with a delightful breakfast at a local cafe, indulging in fresh pastries and aromatic coffee. Explore Maputo Central Market. Dive into the bustling atmosphere of the market, exploring vibrant stalls filled with fresh produce, spices, and handicrafts. Afternoon. Lunch at a seafood restaurant. Treat yourself to a sumptuous seafood lunch at a beachside restaurant, savoring the flavors of Mozambique. Visit the Iron House and Fortaleza de Maputo. Explore the architectural wonders of the Iron House and the historic fortress, learning about the city's colonial past. Evening. Dinner at a traditional restaurant. Enjoy a traditional Mozambican dinner, sampling dishes like piri-piri chicken and matapa. Live music and dance. Immerse yourself in the local culture by enjoying live music and dance performances at a nearby venue. Day 2. Escape to Bazaruto Archipelago morning. Breakfast and departure to Vilanculos. After breakfast, fly or drive to Vilanculos, the gateway to the Bazaruto Archipelago. Arrive and check in. Check into your beachfront resort and soak in the stunning views. Afternoon. Snorkeling excursion. Join a snorkeling tour to discover the colorful coral reefs and diverse marine life that thrives in the archipelago. Lunch on the beach. Relish a beachside lunch featuring fresh seafood and local flavors. Evening. Dhow sunset cruise. Experience the magic of a traditional dhow cruise, watching the sun dip below the horizon as you glide across the water. Dinner at your resort. Enjoy a sumptuous dinner at your resort, indulging in fresh, locally sourced dishes. Day 3. Wildlife adventure in Gorongosa National Park morning. Breakfast and departure. Fuel up with a hearty breakfast before departing for Gorongosa National Park. Arrival and check-in at the lodge. Settle into your lodge and prepare for an exciting day of wildlife exploration. Afternoon. Game drive adventure. Embark on an exhilarating game drive, spotting elephants, lions, and a myriad of other wildlife. Keep your camera ready for unforgettable moments. Lunch at the lodge. Enjoy a delicious lunch at your lodge, exchanging stories from your morning safari. Evening. Night safari, optional, if available. Embark on a guided night safari to discover the park's nocturnal wildlife. It's an exhilarating way to witness the magic of the African night. Dinner under the stars. Conclude your adventure with a delightful dinner under the stars, surrounded by the sounds of nature. 9. Conclusion. Your Mozambique adventure awaits. Mozambique is a captivating destination that promises to ignite your spirit of adventure. From the vibrant streets of Maputo to the tranquil beaches of Bazaruto and the wild landscapes of Gorongosa, this remarkable country offers a plethora of experiences that will stay with you long after your journey ends. As you embrace the stunning beauty, immerse yourself in the rich culture, and connect with the warm-hearted locals, you'll discover that Mozambique is not just a place to visit but a land to cherish. So pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready for an unforgettable journey through the heart of Mozambique, where every moment is a celebration of life and exploration. This comprehensive travel guide to Mozambique is designed to evoke excitement and wanderlust while providing detailed insights into this beautiful country. If you have any specific elements you'd like to add or modify, feel free to let me know. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.